with some image saying something, maybe of a cat saying something like something, some like profound thing. Yo ho ho guys, where are we? We're right next to a train. Sorry if you can't hear me properly. We are next to Haggerston Station, so in Haggerston, London. Walking down some dodgy looking alley, looking for a gallery. It's called 17 Gallery. I think apparently you get to it from the back here. So just over that way is Kingsland Road. Here it is here. Okay, I was just going to give a little spiel and then do a walkabout in there. Probably just film it and not talk in there. I don't really like talking in the galleries. It's called 17 Gallery. The show is called Memeplex. So if you don't know what a meme is, like basically you probably do know what a meme is, or at least you've seen one, but you probably don't know what you're looking at. But all those weird memes which are on the internet, basically they're images with a little bit of text, some kind of funny, quirky little text with some image saying something, maybe of a cat saying something like something, some like profound thing. So meme, if also you don't know, comes from the word memetics, which is basically the idea of kind of a condensed type of knowledge that is or a condensed way of relaying an idea or knowledge or some, epiphany or something, right? So this is Memeplex. Yeah, so I guess, something like along the lines of a complex. So it'll be a place full of ideas of some sort. Why I'm going to it? I mean, it looks amazing. I've seen some photos of it. I really like immersive kind of installation pieces, and this is immersive. What I mean by immersive is you're immersed. You enter a space, and it's not just paintings on the wall. Although there are paintings on the wall, I think, but it's it encompasses you. You walk into it. You walk into the artwork rather than just viewing it. Right. So that's a general description of what an immersive installation is. It's done by a bunch of people. First one I don't actually know is Omsk, O-M-S-K, Omsk. I'll put it down the bottom. Social Club. I don't know, I'm probably mispronouncing that. The other person is Joey Holder. Now, I've been wanting to see their work for a good 4 or 5 years. I do believe they have pieces in here. But those two bunches of people have kind of curated or at least brought together and produced this. So I'm quite excited about that. Also, I do think it seems like they've, to kind of celebrate the closing weekend, they've just released a video. Maybe I'll put a link also down the bottom. And it seems like some of my friends kind of did some stuff in it. So that's exciting. Also within the show, it's multi-roomed, multi-artist. I guess there's a general kind of togetherness that kind of joins all these pieces together. But yeah, multi-artists. So I'll probably maybe flash all the artists up on screen now. And I'll put their links down below. Our links to the show. Today's the last day. It was a horrible rainy day. So perfect for going inside, taking you into the gallery. Speaking of, let's go have a look. Okay guys, so that was Memeplex by, well, at 17 Gallery. What'd you think? Gosh, there was a lot there. Yeah, gosh, I mean, maybe now you see what I mean by the immersive installation thing, right? Where you walk in and it's a space and you become part of it in some respects. Really good. I thought it was really good. Very weird, but it's, it's kind of what I like, I don't like landscapes. I don't like paintings of landscapes, particularly. Some can be all right, but when you really start to feel something, in there you feel a bit uneasy. You feel a bit weird. It really takes you out of where you were, like, so real life, gallery life, or like, the artist's world. And that's why I like immersive installation. So I'll just give you kind of a bit of, a rundown / ad-lib version of what I read about, and kind of the artist's statement thing. Just like the first sentence is kind of, this is the meme complex, right? This is like a hospital type situation where where patients or people or something is getting injected with memes, as I sort of said in the beginning of the vlog. Memes, kind of this condensed version of some sort of knowledgey stuff. So this is kind of set up to look like, or be, a hospital where over the lifespan of someone they get injected with memes. And there you could kind of see there was a hospital bed. There was kind of these, I guess, diagrammatical kind of images, like almost anatomical images of like humans and things with various, what would you call it? Kind of scientific stuff, diagrams, and like minerals, and I saw vitamins and chemicals and this sort of stuff. What I guess is within us. And then there was kind of like another room, which I guess is kind of like the recovery room. So you go into the first bit, which is the hospital. You get injected, and there's kind of like another area with video and diagrams, and then you kind of go through, and then you rest, recuperate, and then I guess join the real world, having been injected with these memes. Yes. Really great use of space, really great, I think, connecting, I guess, relating to kind of current worldness, whether it's just internet memes, or the amount of information and things we're bombarded with day to day by media, by the interweb, by social media, etc., etc. All these things kind of do then, I guess, shape our personality. And once you throw a spotlight on that, you start to feel uneasy, right? You kind of feel like you're in control of you, but perhaps, or maybe, I'm not sure if that's kind of the point that you're trying to make. Perhaps actually we are, in some respects, being kind of brainwashed. Oof, heavy. I'll leave that one with you. If I'm going to head off, I'm going to actually go to another gallery of my friends, so that'll be the next vlog. But do those things I keep asking you to do. If you liked this, being here in London, particularly winter, I imagine I'm going to more galleries. I'm not sure. I've just been looking up, like, you know, free things to do in London, which, you know, I might as well, I'm gonna take you on a journey. You know, while I'm still here, while we're still here, yeah, might as well kind of get involved or get out there and see what we can as much as possible. But until then, and to make sure you see all that, subscribe, you know, and help me out by just, you know, liking down below, and comment as well. What do you think of the Memeplex? Are we getting brainwashed? You know, it's I mean, things like YouTube, you know, am I brainwashing you right now? Click that button, click the subscribe, etc., etc. Am I? Who knows? You'll have to find out. Catch you later.